Kandyonchrome,
The home of Red Carpet Sundays, we got my partner right here. I'm gonna let him introduce himself and introduce the fact that he's the first man that we're gonna feature here on Red Carpet Sundays, Big Boyz BBQ. Pull up on us, usually every Sunday.
What's going on, man? It's your boy TJ. You know what I'm saying? I got a 72 out there.
Like I said, Red Carpet Sundays, positive vibes, positive energy. Make sure you check us out. Make sure you check out Big Boyz BBQ, the best ribs in town, the best veggie pasta in town, and the best customer service as far as restaurants. Get here and make sure you always have positive vibes, positive energy. Positive vibes, positive energy. Tony T954. It's another Red Carpet Sundays here at Big Boyz BBQ, 655 Northwest 22nd Road, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Like I said, number positive vibes, positive energy. Even though it's cloudy, it's still a whole lot of positivity going on. Got a few cars showed up to the restaurant. Good food, good energy. You want to be featured? Let us know. Positive vibes, positive energy on Instagram. Abmgmanagement as well. All one word on Instagram. Get on the red carpet on the Sundays here at Big Boyz. Let's work it out. Check it out. I'll show y'all what we're working with.
I'm in the new 550 with my monster niggas riding right with me. Anything you want, all you gotta do is hit me. Bad bitches, all you gotta say is come and get me. Take you to the spot, yeah, we run a train. Now let me lace you with a little bit of game. Young D my name, and I stand out without a big piece of chain. Check out my mouth, man, drugs flowing through my brain. I try to change, but I can never be a lame. That's why I'm dust in the wind, while I move whole thing. I never wanted half, I wanted the whole thing. Let my roof retract back while I count stack. Niggas on the sideline, check out the go back. Looking like some fresh cooked crack. I never left, so you can't say that I'm finally back.
Man, we got positive vibes, positive energy on the Red Carpet Sundays. I'm riding with my main man TJ. Sliding through the city right now, 655 Northwest 22nd Road. You hear it? Big heavy motor. What year this is, TJ?
It's 73. I'm sorry, man. 72. In my third one this year. You know, I like this. I might end up keeping this one, man. Y'all a little something.
In fact, we're live. You know, most definitely, Lance. We gotta let them know we live. You know, positive vibes, positive energy is always live. It's unrehearsed. It's raw. It's organic. It's real. But it's real positive, and it's coming live. You hear it. It's like heavy motor. You can't. It's undeniable.
Yo, love. Little something, man. Well, it's my third one this year. I had two 73s, you know what I'm saying, and I fixed them up, I sold them, you know. Every time I say I'm gonna get out of the don't game, man, I end up getting another one and doing it all over again, man. So I just love it, man, you know what I'm saying.
What's your next move from this?
I gotta get a vert. Gotta get me a vert, man.
That's like you gotta graduate to the vert.
Gotta graduate to the vert.
The dust body in the cemetery. A lot of niggas out here play hard, but very scary. Abort a bitch quick with my nigga Bobby Larry. Dust in the wind, dog. You will never win, dog. With the sawed off, I tear skin and limbs off. I'm in the kitchen and I'm whipping with the top off. Riding with a couple grips in case it pop off. Man, you niggas soft as cotton, me, I get it poppin'. Yeah, you see me clocking, your girl just see me proppin'. A new Benz or a old school locked in. Burning rubber, here's a rubber, bitch, hop in. I pop the pill, so there's no telling what I might do. I don't kiss little mama, but my mic do. Hoggle beaters is all you see when I fly through. Just in my shoulders while I feed smokers pipe food.
It's good eating. That's all I can tell you. Have fun on the truck. You already know I don't like no camera.
Vibe, positive energy. No, and then you broke it down, red carpet energy. What I told you right after. Hashtag.
Yeah, most definitely.
Man, it's like a light bulb hit, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? It's
Game
just,
changer.
that's all we do. Trendsetters. And that's what you do. You change the game. Every day we try to think about new plans, new ways to succeed. Young black brothers succeed. They don't like it. Some people don't like it. Now. Some people don't like it.
You don't have to like it.
You don't have
but
to
you're
like
gonna have to deal
and
with
it's
it.
gonna be positive.
It's gonna be
And it's
positive.
gonna be
Good food, good energy,
good fellowship, positive energy.
red carpet treatment.
They know we be at
655 Northwest 22nd Road.
for the
man.
red carpet. For the red carpet, baby.
Y'all don't know, man. Big Boy BBQ, home of the famous real tip, chicken and shrimp Alfredo. We got it all here at Big Boy BBQ in Franklin Park. 655 Northwest 22nd Road. Come check us out every day of the week. Thursday through Sunday. We got red carpet Sundays on Sunday, baby. So make sure you come by, bring them toys out, bring your girls out, bring everybody out. I guarantee you'll love it, baby. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Yeah, we live from the kitchen right now at Big Boy BBQ, baby. Yeah, we selling them out right now. Ooh, we got good macaroni and baked beans and them real tip. Ooh, that macaroni and collard green with them real tip. One more macaroni and baked beans. Come check us out today before it's all gone. 655 North 22nd Road, baby. Big Boys BBQ. Ooh wee.
What's up, man? You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Too Fly, man. Fryboy Music Group. I'm representing Team DNL. Me and my dude, Big Low, Pillsbury, my main man, Rose. You already know what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Finna come here. You got Summer right here. You got Iguana Man over there, man. You know what I'm saying? Young is in charge in the city. Young is in charge on the south, I say. You already know what it is, man. Team DNL.
What they know about the Kandyonchrome now? What they know about the Kandyonchrome now? What they know about the Kandyonchrome now? What they know about the Kandyonchrome now?
Doing a little cruise in summer. You know what I'm saying? Doing a little hood. It's a little black out here. Y'all probably can't see me good. It's all good.
We going out in the woods. No, this ain't nothing like that Mary Jane. Let yourself go and just do it. This is crystal meth music.